Every day you should pack your cash box with starter change, your card reader and backup battery, ice and coolers, your syrups or mixes, cups, lids, straws, napkins, a trash bag, hand sanitizer, gloves, a small first aid kit, your permit or license copy, and a folding sign with your prices clearly listed. Let's talk about why some of these small things matter more than people think. Most new stand owners focus only on the drinks and forget that a pop-up stand lives or dies on speed and cleanliness. So having a dedicated trash bag and wipes ready before your first customer even walks up saves you from scrambling later. One thing barely anyone talks about is bringing a spare phone charger and a portable battery pack, because your card reader and any digital menu you use will drain fast in the heat, and losing power means losing sales. Another trick is packing a small notebook to jot down which flavors sell out first, because that tiny bit of data helps you restock smarter for next time instead of guessing. Ice melts faster than people expect, so bringing double what you think you need, stored in a separate cooler from your drinks, keeps everything colder for longer. Always keep a printed copy of your permit or license on hand, because if a city inspector or officer stops by, having it instantly ready keeps things smooth and professional. One common mistake is running out of $1 bills and small coins, so start each day with more change than you think you will need, maybe $40 in small bills and coins, so you are never scrambling to break a 20. Another issue is forgetting gloves or hand sanitizer, which can slow you down or raise health concerns, so keep a small stocked bag specifically for hygiene items separate from your drink supplies. Weather changes fast too, so always toss in a light tarp or umbrella, since a sudden rain shower can ruin your ingredients or scare off customers if you are not prepared to cover your stand quickly. If you enjoyed this, check out our online directories in the description below.